Well, here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Tuesday, April 27th, 2010. And we always like to start with the market profiles at E-mini Day Trader. Here's our market profile for today and its corresponding volume profile. Here's what occurred overnight. And this is what occurred yesterday, market profile and volume profile. So he had mentioned that a key level for us to monitor going into today, in other words, taking a look at what the market was up to in the overnight trade, was to see if it could get back above 1150. So I'll just put 1150 in here, and we can see that the market here had a high overnight of 1210 exactly. So this sell-off that occurred yesterday had at least proven to us in the overnight session that it was more than just some sort of reaction. It had some substance to it, because the overnight market not only held below this 11 price, 1211 even, but it also made a new low compared to yesterday's trading. As a matter of fact, went all the way down and reached a low of 1200.75. So the market was certainly showing and proving to us that holding below that barrier was certainly a more bearish indication than bullish. And one of the next level that I was suggesting that the market could get down to would be in the 98 area. And we were looking at possibly the 98 to 95 to act as possibly support. And then after that, we were looking at the market to get down to around 88, which was here. And then the next level after that was all the way down at 81. So the market was obviously very bearish, and it had a nice follow-through range extension down and closed way down here near its low. So the market has really changed its face here today and confirmed that the bears are now in charge, at least of the intraday swing auction. Not necessarily mean that for the next month or anything like that, but the bias that we look at in this intraday analysis is so that we can pull that into a daytime frame perspective, which is what we want to do because we are day traders. So with that in mind, we had good opportunity here on the short side today, and looks like it wants to continue to be pretty bearish going into tomorrow. So this target area of around 81, the next one down from that is approximately 78, and the market did hit down into that 78 right here. But this 95, 94 area, good, very, very strong resistance. So if the market can get up there, it may only get up to the 89 area, which is also a potential resistance area. And would not be surprised if the market trades. It may come down and make a new low, but my guess, at least at this point, is that the market is probably going to stay mostly contained within today's range. Now, the one thing that would upset that would be an FOMC news announcement tomorrow afternoon that would be totally unexpected. And if the market reacted in a bullish fashion, then watch out for 95, and if it holds above that, look for the 1201 area. So this will be a good test area should the market like that number, to see if it can come and rally up into this area. If not, expect at least to test the low from today and quite possibly trade in this kind of range for likely most of the day, and then we'll just have to wait to see how the market reacts off of that news. So be careful of that news tomorrow. As far as our trades were concerned today, we had not a lot of trades, but we had, there's the regular RTH, regular trading hours only profiles. As far as our trades were concerned today, we did get an early long in here, and that's just unfortunately when that Greek and Portugal news came out. So unfortunately we got stopped out on that trade, but we're able to get short here and here and here. So we ended up with one long trade, and the second, third, and fourth trades were all short trades. The second and fourth trades all hit our first and second objectives, and the third trade did much better. It was really the trade of the day. We were able to get short here and follow this market all the way down, taking 10 plus points on that final partial on that trade. So that's really what happened today, and some of the thoughts on looking at what could possibly happen in the market tomorrow. So thanks for taking the time to view the video. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Thanks, and we'll see you again tomorrow.